Let us discuss how sound is produced by human, means how sound is produced by us. In humans, sound is produced in the larynx. While swallowing food, we can feel with our finger a hard bump that seems to move. This is nothing but larynx. Here you can see that larynx is the sound producing organ in human. Two vocal cords are there and they are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through this narrow slit, the vocal cords vibrate and sound is produced. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for passage of air. Children, you can do one activity. Take two rubber strips out of an unused bicycle tube. Then place these two pieces one above other and stretch them tight. And if you blow air through this gap, then a sound is heard. So human larynx works in the same manner. When the lungs forces air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality of voice is different. In human, sound is produced by the voice box or larynx. It is the upper part of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box, leaving a narrow slit. When the lungs force air through the slit, it vibrates and produces sound. Vocal cords are 20 centimeter in length in male, about 15 centimeter in female, or even smaller in children. Therefore, the voice of male, female, and children are different. In this diagram, the position of larynx, trachea, lungs is shown. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, a quality of voice is different. Open vocal cords are seen in this diagram, and in second diagram, closed vocal cords are seen. So children, have you understood how sound is produced by us through larynx? Larynx is also called as voice box. Two vocal cords are there. They are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that a narrow slit is present between them for the passage of air. Clear? When when the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrates and sound is produced. When you produce sound like bho, bho, just like a dog barking, or meow, meow, just like a mewing cat, you can notice the tension on the vocal cords. When you produce such type of sounds, you will feel the tension on the vocal cord changes as you produce different types of sounds. Do this activity at home and you can feel the sensation and vibrations which are produced on the vocal cords and how they get changed when you produce different types of sounds. Children, let us discuss how sound is produced by loudspeaker. Internal structure of loudspeaker is shown on this slide. It consists of a permanent magnet. A coil is wound around it, and if a current flows through this coil, it also generates magnetic field. And this you have learnt in earlier chapter in this 8th standard science textbook. You might be knowing that if two magnets are brought near each other, they move depending on their position. Two north poles repel each other, and if north-south poles are brought close to each other, then they attract each other. In the same manner, here, depending upon the magnetic field created due to the coil moves back and forth. The frequency and amplitude of the movement of the coil depends on the variation in the current flowing through the coil. As the coil moves, the conical screen of the loudspeaker which is attached to the coil also moves back and forth. And due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in the air. We have seen that due to back and forth motion of the prongs of the tuning fork, sound waves are produced in the same manner. Here, due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in air. You can feel this vibration of loudspeaker screen just by gently touching the screen of the loudspeaker which is producing sound. Very loud sound can be produced by using a loudspeaker. Therefore, loudspeakers are used in public places. However, as we have learnt last year, if sound wave is around 100 decibels, the sound can be harmful to us. Therefore, although the loudspeaker can generate very loud sound, there must be a limit on its loudness. Right? So, children, have you understood the working of loudspeaker? Let me revise one more time. Here is the internal structure of loudspeaker. It consists of a permanent magnet. A coil is wound around it, and if the current flows through this coil, it generates magnetic field. Depending upon the magnetic field created due to the coil moves back and forth. As the screen is attached to this coil, due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in the air. See here children, as the coil moves, the screen which is conical screen of the loudspeaker which is attached to the coil also moves back and forth. And due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in the air. The frequency and the amplitude of the movement of the coil depends on the variation in the current flowing through the coil. Very loud sound can be produced by using the loudspeaker. Clear? We should take care that others are not disturbed when we study sound and its production. Sound pollution is the major cause affecting the environment and social health. Hence, we should find ways to avoid sound pollution. So, here we have completed the lesson and we will discuss the exercises based on this lesson in next video. Thank you.